Hey, 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 Christine the Cruiser back again, back again. Look at my cards here. Okay, so yes, I am an avid cruiser. I'm guilty, I know. But really, what I'm here to talk to you about is these handy dandy cards here. These are your golden tickets on the cruise ship. I promise you, when you finish at check in on boarding day, what you race to your stateroom for is one of these. They used to give them at check-in. Now they're in a nice little envelope on your door, and you take these out once you get to your door, your stateroom. And this is your golden ticket. It literally has your dining room on there. It has your dining time, your seating time, your table number, your your ship name, your cruise ship, a swipe, because when you get to those port days and you want to exit the ship or get on the ship, this is going to be your golden ticket. You don't ever want to be without this. And believe me, these things do get lost. I've seen them. My husband has lost several of them in one cruise week, having to go to the front desk to get them. You don't want to be out without this, okay? And I'm going to share with you today how you can maneuver around keeping up with this little thing, right? So some of the cruise ships have a lanyard. They sell these on the cruise ships. But you guys can go to any store and get these ahead of time for a fraction of the cost, I promise you. Now, they will put a keyhole, a little puncher hole in there so you can tether it, and then you have it around your neck, and you're able to travel with these all throughout your cruise without worrying about losing them in your pocket when you go swimming or off on the on port days somewhere in town, because you'll need these to get back on the ship. Without this, I don't know what they'll do with you. I can't say. It's never happened to me because I'm always prepared. I'm Christine the Cruiser. So you guys travel with a lanyard. They even have the ones that have plastic pockets in them to protect it as well when you go swimming, or you want to put another card in there for some reason. If you're going out in town, you want to go shopping. You have no need to bring cash with you. You don't need to bring your lucky jar of cash. It's a totally cashless cruise, okay? You don't have to bring cash and credit cards. Everything can be purchased with your card, your stateroom card. They'll attach it to your tab, and you just square out your tab when you exit before debarkation of the ship at the end of your cruise. They send you a nice sheet of all your charges, and nowadays you can just log on to TV and look at all your charges and reconcile them with your actual fun that you've been having on the ship, and you just check out. You can give the front desk cash, or you can give them a credit card to reconcile your bill, and you're good to go. They just make it easy peasy. You don't have to worry about carrying on cash, carrying your passport, carrying your driver's license. Like, these things you want to keep in your safe, right? You want to keep these in a lockable safe in your stateroom, so you don't have to tote these around, okay? Make sure that you don't lose these. All you need is this. Now, on some ports, they do require to look at your cruise ID, a driver's license, or a passport. So they will communicate that on the days that you have your port days, what that island needs, and you can act accordingly. Okay, but a lanyard is everything on a cruise ship. It survives water. It survives, your memory. It literally is. You'll need it. Now, I know on those dinner nights that you just don't want to have this around your neck when you're in a dress. Simply bundle it up, put it in your little clutch purse, and you have it to buy drinks and anything you want at dinner time, right? So a lanyard before the cruise. Again, they have these for purchase, but they will be pricey. Okay? So that's cruising with your key card, all access pass to everything on the ship. No need for cash, no need for all the other Bitcoin, none of that stuff. You don't need it. All you need is your access pass. Everything is tied to your account, and you're able to reconcile that by looking at the TV, at your records for charges and or statements brought to your stateroom the night before you check out. All right. So any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm happy to help and assist with any questions you have regarding cruising.